Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find 500 US dollar Google Ads coupon. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, go to your web browser, then search Google Ads coupon. Now scroll down and go to this website. Now you can see there's lots of coupon codes available here. You can get your coupon by clicking this option and use it to your Google Ads. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.